Oi mate, I'm Chris the Crocodile Hunter, and today I will be surviving in the wilderness. Oi, are we filming? Oh, okay. So out here you can see the indigenous species of the hills and rocks. But sometimes you can find the dingo. Oi mate, there's one now! Follow me, Kyle! I can get it! I'm gonna catch it! False alarm! False alarm! Oi, it's false alarm, mate! Just a rock. Well, so what I have here is a crumpler. The roots can be very good in nutrients. Ugh, not those roots, not those roots. Make sure when you see this plant, you don't ever eat it, or else you could be very sick. Oh, boy mate, we're going to be looting stuff. Let's see what we can find. It's a supply bag. Hopefully it has some ointment. Okay. Oh my gosh, we found a gun. This will be perfect for coyote hunting or chicken hunting. Let's see what else. Fruit punch Powerade? No way! No way! Aha! A knife! We could sharpen our bullets with this. Doesn't even work! Well, at least we have a gun! Let's go hunt. Oh my gosh, my life is very short. Oh, oi mate. I wasted all my bullets and a bunny stole my hat. I don't know what I'm doing out here, guys. I can never survive in the wilderness, but I'm never giving up hope. Oi mates, I found more bullets, but to defend myself, I had to use them on 3 people. I need to find more. I'm hungry. I can't survive out here without more food. Oi mates. Oh my gosh, that's another bullet. I just need to find some food. Keep your eye out, Kyle. Oi mates, I found the indigenous species of the cabrongo. Let's go, hurry. Oh, I got it. Oh. It was a decoy from the hunters. We have to go. Follow me, Kyle. Hurry. Keep up. They must be close. They set that trap for me. Oh, crap. My bullet. I don't see any, but we have to keep looking. They could be right on our tail.
Chris! Chris, are you alright, mate? Are you alright? Chris, wake up! Wake up!
Oh.
You fell down the hill.
Oh, oi mate, I guess I did. Oh, perfect. While we're here, I found this indigenous species of plant. I can't recall the name. Oi! It's roqueta. It's full of nutrients and vitamin C. Oh no, don't. I don't know anything about plants.
Where are you going, Chris?
I can't do this anymore, Kyle. I'm not a true survivor. Ah!
Why can't you survive?
Ah, get back! Who are you?
We're just some kids.
Get away!
Wait, where are you going?
We're going to a house up there. Bye.
What? There are houses.
Well, Kyle. Now what? Well, this has been an episode of The Nature's Worst Survivor versus the Wild.